What's up, you guys? Welcome back to 2740 Solutions, home of the best trained, highest paid, fittest problem solvers on the planet. My name's Adam. Great job showing up here. How to do a muscle up for you non-CrossFitters out there. I dabble in CrossFit, but I like to be, top 10% at pretty much everything I do, so I don't just subscribe to that shenanigans. This version of the video of how to do a muscle up non-CrossFit style is the non-voiceover version. So there's gonna be a longer version where I actually mic over it. I'll go up in the corner right up here, and then I'll give you guys a step-by-step voice-over version of how to do a muscle up. But this is for you guys to use. This version is for you guys to use while you're at the gym. If you don't want me blabbing away about how to do a muscle up, you just want to be able to see how I do it without all the bumps in the road where I'm explaining what to do. Also, just a real quick reminder that we're doing our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. As soon as we hit 1,000 subs, I will draw from a subscriber randomly for the Power Beats Pro. I will Amazon that, Prime that directly to you. I love my Power Beats Pro because I just toss one right in and then leave the other one out. Whether I'm driving, just walking downtown, keeping my ear out there for whatever it may be, but also listening to my, my Tesla stock analysis, my latest and greatest Hellcat wide body charger review, whatever it is. So just subscribe for free, and let's get into doing a muscle up with no voiceover.